With increasing scale and complexities of modern infrastructure projects, cost and schedule overruns are among the key challenges faced by any EPC company. LTI, with its deep insights into engineering and construction processes, is at the forefront of providing rich technology solutions that help improve site productivity, offer complete visibility into inventory and material movement, and eliminate silos through collaboration. LTI's COMATRAK, an integrated digital solution, combines the power of mobility and RFID technology to optimize the entire supply chain, right from the point of origin to its installation at project sites. It offers role-based functionalities, spanning across all major functions such as manufacturing, registration, storage, sequencing, material request and issuance, tracking, and installation. As a use case, let us consider construction of an underground metro line where thousands of precast segments are required to be erected. A precast segment embedded with an RFID tag is initially registered with a mobile RFID reader. Details like dimensions, segment type, segment status, casting date, and storage location are captured too. When site engineers order segments of a particular dimension, the precast engineer at the yard is instantly notified. The right segments are then identified with RFID scan, picked up from the storage location, and dispatched to the respective construction sites. At this stage, information of trucks carrying these segments is also captured in the solution. A bulk RFID scan by security personnel at the yard's exit identifies any mismatch between the segments assigned in the dispatch request against segments actually loaded for transportation, thus automating security clearance at the yard. At the construction site, the precast segments are identified with their RFID tags to ensure that only the right segments in the right quantity have reached the site. An RFID scan mismatch disables acknowledgement of receipt. The solution also captures the location of installation and name of the ring for future reference. Mobile dashboards provide a real-time view of precast information with complete visibility and control over precast movement throughout the entire process. COMATRAK finds its application across industries, be it engineering and construction, power, or the manufacturing industry. For our clients, LTI's COMATRAK has resulted in dramatic improvement in productivity of engineers, complete visibility of material movement right from yard security to site installation, real-time inventory updates, and improved planning and control, resulting in on-time delivery of projects. So, if you're struggling with managing material movement and maximizing your supply chain efficiency, it's time to look at LTI's COMATRAK.